Here I've got Samsung Galaxy M30s, and let me show you how to activate and use test mode on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer and then enter the following code, which is *pound or *pound. And now you can test your device, you can test all the features. Let's start with display. So at first you can check if it's working properly by tapping on red. As you can see, it's definitely red, so it's working as it should be. Then green, it's proper as well. Then blue, also correct. And also you can check black. And to switch off black, you have to tap on power key because it's the inactivity display. Then you can also check the receiver. It's working correctly. Then you can check vibration. As you can hear, as I can feel and hear, it's working correct as well. Then you can also come along with the features like mega cam, grip sensor, touch, speaker, sub key, front cam, Hall IC, black and version. Black is for display. And let me, for example, show you also speaker. So it's definitely working properly. We can switch it off, and this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily test your device, test your Samsung Galaxy M30s. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.